The day begins by the sea. Nets are prepared, and hopes are cast into the waters. Along the shore, faith stands quietly, watching over every journey. The ocean stretches beyond the horizon, endless and untamed. Waves rise and fall, carrying stories written by the tides. Life here moves with the rhythm of the sea. Every rock, every wave, every breeze has witnessed countless sunrises. Sitting by the shore, the world feels slower. The noise fades, and only the sound of the ocean remains. Along the beach, people gather as another day unfolds. Fresh catches arrive, bringing life to the market and livelihood to many families. Behind every fish lies a journey, a struggle, and a reward. Boats return home after hours upon the open water. Communities come together, carrying forward traditions passed through generations. Walking along the shoreline, footprints appear and disappear with every wave. A reminder that moments may pass, but memories remain. Above us, the sky keeps changing, the sea keeps moving, and the shore continues to tell its timeless story. Sitting quietly on a boat, surrounded by nothing but sea and sky, there is a sense of freedom that is difficult to describe. A reminder that sometimes the most meaningful moments are found in silence. Standing on the rocks, watching the ocean stretch beyond sight, it becomes easy to forget the noise of the world. Here, time slows down, and as one boat moves toward the horizon, the story continues.